Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is November 26, 2015, and today is Thursday morning. It's Thanksgiving today in the United States. It's a public holiday, also a bank holiday, so the markets are closed in the States, and that will affect many of the commodities and many of the indices as they are traded on the CME. We sent out an email with all the proper closings and early closings of what's going on. Tomorrow will also be an early closing on the Dow Jones, so just keep that in mind. Not to say that that's not what's going on, and as we mentioned the other day, the US dollar versus the Turkey lira, things are heating up between Russia and Turkey. This morning we had a little bit of a rally here, as you can see, a little bit of an overreaction to what's going on in the markets. And frankly speaking, if you are a scalper, you should be all over this. I mean, this is a 5-minute chart, and you could see how much we rallied here just from this early morning. So just, this is what we call a classic fade, where there's an extreme move and then there's a counter move. And this is basically what's going on here. It might be a good idea to keep an eye on this, look for quick ins and outs on both sides, and just to be able to scalp. But just beware, these things can get ahead of you sometimes, so just be careful how you do execute these trades. But like I said, this is what we call a news trade, mostly because of what's going on in the news. It could go either way, so it's a little bit risky. So if you're a novice trader, I would recommend not jumping into it. But if you're a little bit more of an intermediate trader and you've had some experience, and you want to just make a quick buck and see how that comes out to you, then you could trade this. I mean, if you're a novice trader, then maybe you could trade a very small lot or trade it on the demo account just to become familiar with it. But looking across the board, there's not much going on. I mean, the Dow Jones will be closed today. Not much coming out in the economic calendar either today, besides the Aussie dollar, and it's not really trading that much within a 10 to 15 pip radius. And as we mentioned before, we are coming to a threshold, and as you can see, we did not breach it, and we sustained the line of resistance here at 0.7255, and now we're trading about 0.7226. It's not a big difference, about 20 pips, 30 pips, but this thing will be 30 pips today, another 30 pips another day, and together you could string along a nice trade. But ultimately, it's about being in it and knowing how to ease into the position and ease out of the position. We'll leave it at that today. Just realize that it's going to be a lighter day. So if there are any opportunities, it'll probably be news related or some other. So just just beware that it's a little bit of a lighter day. This is Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.